Creativity is unpredictable. Develop your creative talent with these new arts and crafts ideas. For the first idea, you will need a rope and Formic alcohol. Pour the alcohol over the rope. Take an empty glass bottle. Tie the rope around it. Fill a large wide container with water and ice. Set fire to the rope. When the alcohol burns out, put the bottle into the ice. The temperature difference causes the bottle to split in half. Clean the edges with sandpaper. Insert a wire with a cartridge into the neck. Screw a light bulb in. Draw on the glass with a permanent marker. Color it. Beautiful! This is real stained glass. Plug the lamp in. Let there be light. Hang up the lamp and enjoy. The stained glass lamp looks stylish and very cozy. A tea mug plus hot glue. I wonder what'll happen. Create needles on the cup using the hot glue gun. Cut off the glue threads. Cover the entire surface of the cup with hot glue. And get some paint. Paint the mug bright green. While the paint is drying, make flowers out of pink polymer clay. Make a yellow middle. Bake the flowers in a microwave and glue them to the cactus. But I thought cactuses don't really bloom. Our cactus will always be flowering. Check out this spiky mug. Isn't it lovely? Did you decide to enjoy a delicious dessert? Just don't throw the cup away. Put a jar in the cup. Pour plaster powder in a Ziploc bag. Add water. Mix thoroughly. Cut off a corner of the bag. Secure the jar with a rock and pour the plaster around it. As soon as the plaster hardens, remove the mold with a box cutter. Make one more plaster figure. Put a small succulent in the center hole. Concrete flower pots are super trendy. And the best part is that the shape and color of the pot can match your room. A monochrome t-shirt? Too boring for artsy people. Let's fix the situation using a stencil. Cut out the drawing. Stick it to the t-shirt with masking tape. Color 240 grain sandpaper with a black crayon. Apply it to the cutout and iron it. Remove the sandpaper. Decorate the drawing with beads. Ooh, how elegant and stylish! You are ready to walk down the red carpet. I think I'm a born designer. Next, take a coconut and soap base. Use the box cutter to remove the coconut shell. Melt the soap base and add the coconut to it. Put the mass in a round mold. Press down with half a big plastic egg. When the mass hardens, take the egg out and scratch the surface with an awl. Spray it with rubbing alcohol. Add chopped coconut pulp to the rest of the base. Pour the finished soap into the soap base and place a container from a lip balm in the center. Take out the lip balm when the soap hardens. Scratch the surface and spray it with rubbing alcohol. Pour in some clear plain soap base. Remove the soap from the mold. Washing hands with half a coconut? That's paradise! It's an excellent and very fragrant idea. A whole box of buttons? How can I find the right color? Let's clean up this button mess. Glue a sheet of foam paper to a rubber foam base. Use universal glue. Attach the frame. Secure the buttons with pins. Not randomly, but in a cute shape. Draw a kitty with buttons. Meow meow! Now put the picture somewhere. Take the buttons off when you need them. The button cat turned out to be very nice, and all the buttons are in plain sight. And now take several balloons. Pour water into them. Put the remains of candles in a pot with a thick bottom. Melt the candles on low heat. When the wax melts, lower the balloon into it. Repeat that a few times. Pierce the balloon with an awl above a bowl. Drain the water and use the wax frame instead of a candlestick. Put small floating candles inside. These fragile white bowls look very romantic. Why would you need to buy anything anymore? Minimalism is trendy. And for this idea, you will need a large sheet of sticker paper. Draw a figure with torn edges. Cut it out along the contour. Now, let's use rubber foam. Mark the sheets up with squares. Cut them out. Glue the bricks of foam to the orange spot. Use the hot glue gun. Do it row by row to make a large sticker wall. Paint the foam a brick color. Use a wide, flat brush. When the bricks are dry, paint the seams. Should we make the seams white or matching? We choose white. Draw black cracks and glue the spot to the wall. I want to show my friend my new wall decoration. And she offers her painting services. Hilarious! No, you don't need to paint it. This is part of my interior design. It's for taking selfies. A brick wall is an old favorite for industrial-style design. You will need water and plaster powder for this idea. Pour the plaster into the water and blend it until the mixture is smooth. Dilute some molding silicone and put your hand in it. When the mass hardens a little, remove your hand and let the mold harden completely. Now, pour the plaster solution into the hole. Before it hardens, insert a nail. Remove the mold. Oh wow! It looks so real! Fasten the hand to a photo frame. Just look at the nails and wrinkles! Hang the hand frame at the door. Let it hold your keys so that you never lose them and always know where they are. And now you need a photo frame. Put a colorful background in it. Attach 2 binder clips from above. Cover a small cardboard box with colored paper and glue it to the frame from below. Put the frame on your desk. Fasten the sheet with clips. What a convenient table easel! Caught off guard by a creative impulse? This mini easel is ready to help. Size doesn't matter. You can create a masterpiece even on a small canvas. Just paint from your soul. Photo albums aren't trendy anymore, but I just can't throw mine away. And you don't have to. Cut the pages out with a box cutter. Glue felt strips to the binding, on the inside and on the outside. Close the album and cover it with beautiful wrapping paper to make a pyramid. Fill it with tools for sewing. Just like a real tailor would have. Thanks to this organizer, sewing will become much easier. All your sewing stuff is safe, secure, and easily accessible. Isn't it amazing? Hot glue was invented by geniuses. If only it also didn't stretch so much. We can fix that. To prevent the glue from stretching from the glue gun, put the rods in the freezer. The frozen glue won't lose its strength, but it won't make long webs anymore. Tidy, clean, and easy. What do you want to glue? Ribbons? When did you get tangled? I didn't even touch you! A long skewer will help tame them. Put the rolls of ribbons on the skewers. Next, take a basket with carved sides. Put the skewers in it. Insert the ends of the ribbons into the holes. Put the organizer on the shelf and take the ribbons when you need them. Pull them as much as you want. They'll stay in place. Very convenient. The more thread you have, the more headaches. There are two possibilities. You either lose them or they get tangled up. There is, of course, a third option. I'm just going to go crazy. How do you manage to keep your threads in such perfect order? The secret is simple. Pedicure toe dividers. Insert a thread into each cell and it is ready. The thread won't run away and the sewing box will be much more organized. The idea is simple, but it's so useful. Did you like our creative life hacks? Which one seemed the most interesting to you? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends. Click on the bell so you don't miss any cool ideas from Troom Select.